look at this one, guys. We have a lot of cars here. BMW. Not sure what model is that. We stopped to eat because of my wife. Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. We are going to Central World right now. And Happy New Year, guys. Today is January 3rd, 2023. Man, the time goes really quick, really fast. Anyway, guys, so two things that we're doing today. The first thing that we're doing is eat. The second thing is, you know, if you watch my last two videos from 2022, you're gonna see that we went to Chantanaburi. It's outside of Bangkok, arriving in probably 2 hours. Anyway, so I was so impressed about the beauty of these places, or just driving outside Bangkok, you know, it was so beautiful, you know. So I decided that this year I will try to find a car. I'm gonna buy a car. I know I can rent a car, you know, but I prefer to have my own car and just drive, go on a road trip, you know, and that's what I'm planning to do. So today we're gonna go see a car that I found on Facebook Market, and we're gonna see if I like it. And it's kind of a little bit expensive. It's about probably $8,000 to $9,000, but I need to see it and check the car to make sure, you know, it's gonna be worth it by spending that much money. But I do want to buy my own car here in Thailand, and we're gonna take you along with us. I'm trying to debate either like a small car or an all-wheel drive car, so we'll see. This car, I really like it, so I'll show it to you guys. So let's go. First we're gonna eat. You know, today is January 3rd and everything is open now. So if you didn't know, pretty much a lot of stores here in Thailand, they close for at least a couple days, or the day before New Year, New Year Eve. They close completely. There's so less traffic. It's quiet on the street. Sometimes, you know, looking through my window in my condo, it's like it's quiet. You know, the January 1st and the 2nd, there is not many cars, and it's kind of nice to experience that, you know, because we are living here in Bangkok and this is our first complete year that we're gonna be here. Yeah, this mall is so nice, guys. Pretty much all the malls here in Asia, you know, they're big and so like a lot of technology on it, you know. Okay, we're gonna keep going up. I keep forgetting because I'm vlogging. Keep forgetting that we had to go all the way to the top to eat. That's the food court. This food in this market, on the food court, is so delicious, guys, and it's very affordable. The prices you see right there, and especially the soup. If you want to get some soup or even beef, you know, chicken, rice, just everything is so delicious. But the thing is, it's like a small amount. So sometimes I buy 2 little plates. I like to get food on this place. Oh man, the food is so delicious. I usually get 2 of this, which is the beef chili paste. The beef is so tender, you know, and melts in your mouth, so it's really good. I like to get food from this place. Well, unfortunately, they didn't have my beef, so I came to get the coconuts, and then I'm gonna go get the food. Look for what I want to eat. But usually, this is where I get my coconut, all fresh food. But I like the coconut, so sweet, guys. So I need to get 2 of them, one for me, one for my wife. So this is the card that we usually get here on Central World. So you put money on it. So I put 600 baht. because like I said, you know, the portions are small. So if you want to eat a lot, you know, like you have to buy like 2 or 3, maybe 2. I get full with 2. Yeah. So this is what we got. Rice. Some, I can't remember the name of the fish, mackerel or something like that. 2 types of sauce, some veggie, and my wife of course the soup, and the coconut for drinks. Alright, we just finished eating. Now we're going to get the SkyTrain, BTS SkyTrain, and from there, actually we had to get the BTS SkyTrain to the Chatuchak market, and then from there we're gonna get a Grab to take us to where the car is. I'm pretty excited to go see this car because I really like it, but I'm kind of like debating still, like if I should get a all-wheel drive little car instead of you know, a small car. The reason is because it rains a lot here, you know, so that's the only reason that I want to get a higher ground car, like a big tires style, like, you know, like I'll show you a picture of how I really want a car, or a small car. So we'll see how this car looks. It looks really nice on the pictures, but we'll see. Hello. Okay. Alright guys, we found the dealership, so now we're gonna find the car. See if they have it here still. Ooh, look at this one, guys. It's a Nissan Silva. Wow, they have another one there. Nice. They have a lot of cars here, like sporty cars, you know, Toyota, Nissan. So we'll see here. Look at this one, guys. It's a BMW. Not sure what model is that. It's automatic though. We'll see. They have a lot of Hondas though. Hello.
For a car,
Do you have the BMWs?
I have the 5 Series. This one here, the white one.
That's the only one you have?
Yeah, I have only one, and the another one I don't sell.
Oh.
Um,
So which one do you have right now? Oh, just that one right there?
The E36.
What year is it? 5. That's the only one they have now. V8?
Yeah,
Yeah. It's M.
Benzene.
Yeah. How much is this one?
500,000. 589,000.
89. Okay.
Yeah.
This is plus 9 cars.
Yeah.
I thought I saw that you have another one.
Which
Another
one? The green one?
green one.
Oh, I
Yeah. You
already
sold it?
sold it, yeah.
You sold it?
Yeah, just in the morning.
Oh man, they already sold the one that I was looking at. Yeah. Alright guys, they didn't have it anymore. They sold it this morning, so but anyways, it was a nice car. It's a BMW E36 that having, let's go this way, corazon. They have a lot of Hondas, but I'm not really into Honda. So I'm gonna keep looking until I find the right car that I really like. Otherwise, I'm gonna regret it. So I'll put the pictures of the BMW that I was planning to get, but unfortunately we stopped to eat. Oh my God, we stopped to eat because of my wife, and then I lost my car. My goodness, yeah, that was early, like 11 a.m. Anyway, so
That's what time.
We should ask what time so I can prove. Anyway, so he's getting another car, and I'm gonna keep looking because the one that he's showing me is not fixed how I like it, like a cool car, like the one that I'm showing you on the pictures, you know. I think we can go that way, corazón. But anyway, so no luck on this car. I'm gonna keep looking, and hopefully I can find the right car for me so we can do road trip and then go to places, you know, more comfortable and not waiting and thinking about the rental car, returning and all that stuff, you know. So I know they have a lot of Honda, but I don't want a Honda. Let's go this way. I like BMWs, but if I get a small car, but if I get a bigger car like SUV, maybe a MITSUBISHI, or Honda, it can be a Honda like a CRV, because we're gonna traveling outside the city, so that's the whole point. But even just going outside the city, we can drive one of those like the BMW, you know. So anyway, guys, it was a short video. Happy New Year 2023. We're gonna keep vlogging and looking for the car that I want to get. And I see like this one, this is a Nissan Silva, you know, so I'm sure they're expensive though. Very expensive car. So anyway, guys, keep watching this channel. Subscribe if you haven't, so support the channel by subscribing. And Happy New Year again, and I'll see you on the next video. I didn't find the car. We're gonna keep vlogging, guys. I know it's no. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye bye.